Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Tochukwu Wabu and this is a very short video, and this is actually from my teacher Branson Tay, and I felt like sharing this with you because in this very short video you're going to get an understanding of what domain name is, your website is, and the web hosting, because most times people tend to get confused with what all these terms are. But in this very short video you're going to be getting a clear understanding with a diagrammatical representation of what it really means. I hope you get value from this video. So watch it now.
Right now, I want to show you this diagram to simplify everything. So as you can see here on the diagram, you're going to see a house, right? A house that's built on a land and also the address for this house. So I want you to imagine that your website is actually a house. When you go to the website, you see a lot of different things on the website. It's actually a house. So how do we actually find your website? How we can find your house? We need an address, right? Address, say for example, your domain. BransonTay.com is a home address. And when I search BransonTay.com, I'm going to go onto your website. Let's say Branson's website. I found your house. So where do your house build on? They actually build on a land, which is your web hosting. Say for example, Bluehost. So to simplify everything, if your website is a house, web hosting is the land where your house actually live. Right, you're gonna store all the belongings of your house. That's a web hosting. And then your domain name is actually the address where we can find your house, where we can find your website. So I hope that this can further clarify your understanding between different jargons, different terms. Say for example, domain, website, web hosting, business name, business email, and so on. So right now,
All right, guys. I hope you get value from this short video tutorial. So you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also be sure to check out Branson Tay on YouTube, and you're going to get more value from his videos. It actually gives a lot of free values, and I'll see you in the next one. It is a bye from here. Thank you.